Hey guys, how's everyone doing? We are back again to bring you insights and advice on your real estate journey. So if you're looking for a property tutorial and how-to channel, you've come to the right place.
If you're thinking of entering the real estate market to look for a private resale property, be sure to know the pros and cons of what a private resale brings. Let's get into it.
The first advantage of buying a resale property is price. Obviously, resale properties have lower PSF than new launches. This is because new launches have to keep in line with rising labor costs and construction costs. So if there are two properties side by side, one resale and one new launch, obviously the resale property will be cheaper than the new one.
The next advantage is size. So resale properties are 10 to 20% bigger than new launches today. You will find more enclosed kitchens, differentiated living and dining rooms, and larger bedrooms.
Number 3, you are able to step into the actual unit. Look at the layout, furnishings, designs, and see how that makes you feel. People want to feel at home and visualize themselves coming home after work, relaxing on the L-shaped sofa, having a glass of wine at the balcony, enjoying the view that they see during the viewing.
The main disadvantage of buying a resale property is age. Especially if it's a leasehold development, you will need to consider that beyond a certain threshold, the property value will start to depreciate. If the property is freehold, then yes, the value is likely to hold over time, but the future growth will not be as steep as new launches.
With age also comes the condition of the unit and the development. Another disadvantage is the older the property, the more rectification works needed. Items like flooring, aircon, piping and other appliances might be too old and weary, which means they will need to be replaced. This will increase your renovation budget and schedule.
Another disadvantage is the efficiency of the layout. So have you been to new launches recently? Have you noticed that there are no bay windows, no planter boxes and no bomb shelters? With new innovations in design, new launches are more efficient in the layout even though they may be smaller in size. So sometimes, even though size matters, we have to be mindful how much of it is actually non-usable space. Buying a resale property isn't all about viewing different units altogether. It's also about knowing what to ask so that you do not get any surprises when you take over the unit. Work with a realtor to help you ask the right questions, make unbiased assessments so that you can make your decision.
We hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you.